The air inside your home can look harmless. It can smell like fresh linen. It can feel calm and cozy. But sometimes, your indoor air is like a quiet roommate who makes a mess when you're not looking. Let's talk about the everyday things that secretly pollute the air we breathe and what we can swap them with. Scented candles. Scented candles promise relaxation, but many of them deliver smoke in disguise. Most are made from paraffin wax, a petroleum product. When burned, they release tiny particles and chemicals into the air. You may not see the smoke, but your lungs definitely notice it. Think of it like this. It's a spa scent, powered by fuel. Better option, use essential oil diffusers. They give you fragrance without fire, without soot, and without turning your living room into a mini combustion zone. Chemical cleaning sprays. Cleaning sprays looks harmless until they say hi to your lungs. Many contain ammonia, volatile organic compounds, and synthetic fragrances. Once sprayed, those chemicals hang around in the air long after the floor looks shiny. It's like mopping and then breathing the mop. Better option? Natural cleaning mixes, vinegar, lemon, baking soda, and water. They clean just as well without leaving chemical fingerprints in the air. Tobacco smoke and vaping. Smoking or vaping indoors doesn't end when the smoke disappears. Tiny particles settle into walls, sofas, carpets, and clothes. This is called third-hand smoke, and it sticks around like an unwanted guest. Vaping may look lighter, but aerosols still leave chemical residues behind. Better option, fresh air and ventilation. Open windows. Let air move. Your home should breathe too. Artificial air fresheners. Air fresheners don't clean air. They decorate bad air with perfume. Most are packed with synthetic fragrances and chemicals that simply add more pollution to the room. So yes, it smells like ocean breeze. But there's no ocean involved. Better option, indoor plants and proper airflow. Plants won't perform miracles, but they help balance humidity and make spaces feel genuinely fresher. New furniture and carpets. That new furniture smell? That's not luxury, it's chemistry. New couches, carpets, and pressed wood furniture can release gases like formaldehyde for weeks or even months. In closed spaces, those gases build up quietly. Better option, natural materials and low VOC finishes. Wood, cotton, wool, and thyme. Let new items air out before fully living with them. Printer toner and ink fumes. Printers don't just print documents, they also release microscopic particles. Toner dust and ink fumes can enter the air, especially in small, poorly ventilated rooms. Over time, frequent exposure can irritate the respiratory system. Better option. Place printers in ventilated areas and open windows when printing often. Strong perfumes and hairsprays indoors. A little fragrance can feel nice. Too much turns the air into a chemical cloud. Many perfumes and hairsprays contain alcohols and synthetic compounds that stay suspended in the air. Spray enough, and you're basically wearing the room. Better option. Use lighter products and apply them near open windows whenever possible. Overheated non-stick cookware. Non-stick pans are convenient until they get too hot. When overheated, some coatings can release toxic fumes into the air. These fumes may cause headaches, irritation, and breathing discomfort. Better option. Keep cooking temperatures moderate and replace damaged non-stick pans. Stale indoor air. A quiet room isn't always a clean room. Without airflow, moisture builds up, mold gets comfortable, pollution stays trapped. Better option, sunlight, fresh air, and movement. Open windows daily. Let light in. Let air change shifts. Clean indoor air doesn't require expensive gadgets. It requires awareness. Sometimes, improving air quality is just about removing what doesn't belong there. Because health doesn't start with superfoods, it starts with every breath you take.